American.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Standard British.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Devonshire.
Are we having chicken tonight?
German.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Scottish.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Geordie.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Brummie.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Yorkshire.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Scouse.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Irish.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Russian.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Cockney.
Are we having chicken tonight, babes?
South African.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Northern Irish.
Are we having chicken tonight?
New Zealand.
Are we having chicken tonight?
British RP.
Darling, are we going to have poulet for dinner tonight?
New York.
Hey, are we going to have some chicken tonight?
Australian.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Welsh.
Are we having chicken tonight?
French.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Southern.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Jamaican.
Are we having some chicken tonight?
West Country.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Spanish.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Canadian.
Are we having chicken tonight?
Dutch.
So, what are we having for the dinner tonight? Is we having some chicken tonight? I don't know. So, with the Irish accent, I kind of stuffed it up a little bit, so I got to go back to do that one. So, are we having chicken tonight? That's better. It was just a bit short before.